G'day guys, Greg here. Now, here I am back again at Hungry Jack's. You might remember yesterday I came and I tried the Memphis Jack's fried chicken burger and, well, to be honest, I really wanted to try the Memphis Whopper. So I'm going to whip in, grab the Memphis Whopper and give this one a crack, see if it's as good as the Memphis Jack's fried chicken was. So let's go get it. Alright, well here it is, the Memphis Whopper. $10.50 it costs, so a little bit cheaper than the Jack's fried chicken. Anyway, let's suss it out. Oh, yeah! Oh, yes! Oh, I haven't had a Whopper in ages.
That's what she said.
Da 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 da. Ah, yes. That looks the goods. Finally, a decent-sized bun, covered in sesame seeds. Now, on this particular one, we should have, well, it's got the mayo and the lettuce, some tomato, and, well, we got 3 onion rings on this one. And then underneath all this stuff, well, there should be, is there 2 bits of bacon? Yes, there is 2 on this one. There's 1 on the chicken, 2 on this. It's got some pickles on there, barbecue sauce and the mayo with some cheese, and of course their delicious flame grilled Whopper, but no mayo underneath on this one, I notice. Oh, I'm fanging to taste that taste of the flame grilled beef on a Whopper. Now, just FYI, a normal Whopper with cheese is $8.90, so this is $10.50 for onion rings and 2 bits of bacon. Not too bad. I can't remember the last time I had a Whopper. It seems like it's been ages, so I'm absolutely fanging for it. So let's go. Oh yeah. Nice and dry. That's if you like dry burgers. I am noticing that it is a little bit drier than the other chicken one because the chicken one had tons of mayo underneath. But this is tasting good so far. Got a nice crunch from those onion rings on there. And, well, the flavours so far are pretty good. But I need to keep going. Not too bad. I'm not really getting any taste of the bacon on there though. And I'm getting the crunch from the onion rings, but I'm not getting any onion ring flavour on it. But it's still tasting pretty good. I am getting a slight taste of the barbecue sauce and mustard with that mayo, but it's still, well, it's kind of juicy enough, but at the same time, it's still a little bit dry. But that won't deter me. I'll keep pressing on. I got a taste of the pickles in that bite and, oh, it really tasted great. I mean, it tastes pretty good. It's not outstanding, but it's pretty good. It does resemble the taste of the Whopper, but the barbecue sauce sort of takes that flavour away. But I'm not even really still tasting the bacon on it, which is strange because there's 2 pieces of it. Anyway, I wonder what score it's going to get out of 10. Well, value-wise, $10.50. Nowadays, it seems like that's a good price. Flavour-wise, nothing beats that flame grilled taste of a Whopper beef patty. But the other ingredients on there, well, they still do complement it, but I'm not really tasting them. I'm not really tasting that onion. Normally you probably taste that raw onion on the Whopper, and well, with this, the onion rings, you're getting a crunch, but you're not getting that nice taste of the raw onion and the crunch and the pepperiness of it on this. The bacon seems to disappear in it, and well, I don't know where it's going, but it's not in my mouth. All in all though, it's pretty good tasting, and I am enjoying it, that's for sure. Would I choose it over a normal Whopper with cheese? Probably not. I know it's only another $1.60 you're paying, but I'm not really tasting those other ingredients. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the Memphis Whopper, I think it deserves a... Can't wait to finish it. 8 out of 10. It's actually really tasty. Is it better than the chicken one? Well, I did really enjoy that chicken one, and well, this one's just as enjoyable. I think maybe the chicken one was slightly better than this, but you know, it's cost another $1.50 or something more. But I mean, this is really tasty, and I'm enjoying it. I don't think I'd come back for another one. I think I'd stick with the Whopper with cheese. You're saving $1.50, and really, the extra things on this, I'm not really tasting. But all in all, it's a pretty tasty burger. Anyway, there's a Memphis Whopper. Have you tried one yet? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a Whopper, which is hopefully very soon, because I love them. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.